Hi, I'm Ginny Baker. I've been working and playing with polymer clay for about 30 years now. I'd like to invite you to join me for a course I'm teaching for Curious Mondo on how I create my cute and whimsical polymer clay dogs. I'll show you how I break things down into basic shapes to sculpt adorable dogs in a variety of breeds and poses. On day one, we'll do Old English sheepdogs. First, I'll show how I create the head and the neck of the dog, and then we'll create this cute play bow pose. On day two, we'll create Yorkshire Terriers, first again with the head and the neck of the breed, and then in this standing pose. And on day three, we'll create miniature schnauzers. Again, first the head and the neck, and then a schnauzer in this cute lying down pose. The pieces we create in class can be used to create brooches, pendants, ornaments, and wall hangings that you can sell or gift to your dog-loving friends and family. They can also be used to decorate coffee mugs, jars, boxes, picture frames, and more. I hope you'll come join me at CuriousMondo.com.